Okay, so this is an acid dye, and this is the Rambouillet, and this was the actually added in after the wine dye was put in, the wine colored dye, which is this, and still got a little VM in it, but the water was almost exhausted, wasn't quite exhausted, so I washed up another little batch, which is this right here, and I put it in the dye pot, added more vinegar. This is really soft Rambouillet, really fine crimp to the fiber. And then I realized that the dye that was left over in the pot was not going to be enough, so I had to add more. So I decided to add a dye called Dusty Rose. No, Wild Rose. So we have wine and roses, and a little bit of sheep poop in there too. So that's that. That's that. And then this is this, and it's so soft. Oh my gosh, so soft. Still got to pull out all the hay. I tried to get a lot of it out, but I didn't get it out. The mordant was simply vinegar, white vinegar. And I just washed it with Dirty Rotten Bastard first. Realized that the stains would not come out because it's pretty stained fleece. And so I said, okay, I better dye it. So I went from the Dirty Rotten Bastard soap to the dye and wash and dye by Namaste Farms. So I thought that was really cool. This over here is the mohair, and this is absolutely beautiful too. You can't really see the colors so great, but oh, the colors are really, really beautiful. When you pull them apart, again, fiber and hay, but you have some really pretty blues. This really pretty orange is in here. This is all in one dye pot, which is really cool. You have some greens in here. This is another really pretty green. It's somewhat, parts of it maybe slightly felted, but not bad. Not bad at all. Here's some silvery blue, really pretty silvery blue. Now look at that beautiful silvery blue. Oh my gosh, it's just so pretty. I can't wait to, I'll probably do like a very loose art yarn with this. A tailspin, well, not quite tailspin because there's no really tails, but maybe a bullseye, or whatever, how do you say it? And then this is really pretty. What else do I have over here? This golden, and then this is like a champagne color here. But the more you pull the locks apart, the prettier it gets. Well, you just discover all these really cool colors. And this was also one dye pot, so the key is to have it simmering, have enough vinegar in there, and have it hot enough so that when you add the next colored dye, it will instantly absorb into the fiber and not bleed into the previous color. So I thought that was really great. Oh, look at that. That's really pretty. Pretty purples. Okay, so that's that. Good timing.